y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Natasha and this is my touch on gardening, y'all. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop me your comments if you have any. And for all my return viewers and my subbies, thank you for coming on back. So y'all, about to get out here and get some planting done out in the garden. I got my my little bags, my garden insect proof nets to put on my greens out here, because I have had a little bit of course, bug activity. You know, the bugs, they like to eat just like we like to eat. So try to slow them down a little bit. I'm going here to get them nets out there on my greens. They still look good though. And I'm gonna plant out my little plant babies. I'm gonna go ahead and stick those in my open spots out here in the garden. And I gotta get my potatoes topped up and tear into this box to get my green stalk put together. So I got a lot of work to do, y'all. A lot of work. I hope you guys are working in your gardens, getting your fall garden going. The weather is still warm. Today it got up to 85 degrees here in Columbia. So we're still experiencing, it's done cooled off a great bit, but we still have some pretty warm days. So let's go out here and check the greens and see what they look like first, and then we'll try to get some of the netting put on them. And I got the ones, I ordered these from Amazon. These are the ones that has the drawstring at the bottom. So we're gonna see how they work. Hopefully they work pretty good, y'all. So let's see. And my greens, they are growing so good. They're getting big. These, when I say they are getting big out here, they are getting big. I probably should have thinned out my broccoli in this bok choy because it is so full. Let y'all see here. So as you can see, the greens are really getting full. Put that there. Getting full. So I have, let's see here. The white is the diatomaceous earth. I had to sprinkle something on to keep the bugs off until I could get netting on here. So I use organic diatomaceous earth, and it's a good bug deterrent for organic gardening. I have also had some armyworm activity, y'all, over on, I think I showed y'all the last time, over on my onion bed, and spider mites. I don't know if you guys are getting spider mites, but I have gotten spider mites out here too. So I'm battling a few pests out here. But overall, everything is looking good. The carrots, y'all can see, these are my carrots and celery. It's looking really good. I gotta feed, gotta fertilize and feed everything. It's time to do that. I think the last time I did it was 2 weeks ago, and you try to do it every 2 weeks. So it's about that time again. So I deep watered yesterday. The soil still feels pretty good, so I'm not gonna worry about putting watering today. But I am gonna get my bags. Oh yeah. Let me see how big. This is what they look like. I think they were different sizes. So let me see. I think some were smaller than others. Yeah. Oh, that's a long one too. Yeah, I think they're all the same size, y'all. So don't see it. I actually need, you know what? These right here, I gotta go get my other ones. So I got this kind too. Alright, y'all. So got my netting put on there. Let's see. Have some pest control. So I'm about to plant out. Let me grab these few okra, honey. The okra grow so fast. I got some peppers I'm about to get. That are turning. Y'all, I'm getting all my peppers. See, I got some type of, I think it's a worm, something that's trying to eat into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all my peppers and I'll let them finish ripening in the house. And then some of them I'll leave green for green peppers anyway. So, got all of that. And then I'm about to come plant out some of my plant babies here. I'm gonna throw this to the compost. All right, y'all, so I'm back out here. We're about to plant down these little baby seedlings. Let y'all see what I got going on here. I had already amended this soil, but I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of earthworm castings and some all-purpose fertilizer. But the soil should be good because I had amended it, so it's been resting. We're just gonna break it up, get it nice and fluffy. See if I see any worms in here. That'll really tell me if the soil is good. Them little bugs that's been eating my dang on peppers up. I don't know, y'all. It wasn't no earthworm. Feel like a grub or something. I don't know. But he gotta go. As Miss Lisa say, good night to the people, because he had to go. Put some all-purpose fertilizer. Put some earthworm in here. And these are collards that I'm putting in. These are babies. Little roots on them though. And guys, if y'all ain't got your stuff planted in, go on ahead and do that, because we are moving into some times, y'all. Hope y'all are being watchful and paying attention to what's going on. With our port strike, with the food situation. You guys haven't prepared. I hate to say it's too late, but you want to try to do what you can do while you have a little bit of time. Do what you can do. have a little bit of time. And I'm gonna come back and water this in and put my net on it. So we got our little plant babies in there. So we're gonna move down to the next one, to the next pot here. And just like the other pot, I had already amended this pot too, so it's been resting. But I'm just gonna add just a little bit more fertilizer to it. Got some big old branches in there broken down. Oh, them a little bit. So I'm just breaking the soil up. All-purpose fertilizer. Pop the rest of these little babies up in here. All right, so got two pots planted, y'all. So we're gonna roll over here to the other bed. I'll plant this bed out over here. So I had amended this bed too. Take some of the this bed has been resting. I think that's all I'm gonna put in this bed right here. Y'all, I gotta go get some soil. Y'all, guess what I found lurking around the house here? Which is weird because my bug guy came yesterday. I haven't seen one since I moved in the house. I had one in the garage when I moved in. But if you've never seen one, let me show you what I'm talking about. Do you see that? That is called a black widow. You saw that hourglass on her butt? So we about to get her, cause baby, she can do some serious damage. And I ain't even got time. Not today, tomorrow, or ever. So we gonna get Miss Ma'am. We gonna get Miss Ma'am. We gonna get her. I had to call my son. Yeah, but that is a black widow. Sure is, honey. I guess that's, honey, when they came and sprayed it, brought her all out about the cut. But we gotta get her. Let me go find my son. I need you to kill this black widow. Come on. Come on, son.
You better get some spray.
Come on.
Black widows jump.
Go get the spray.
How big is it?
Big. You could just put your big foot on it.
Is it?
It's right there.
What?
Over here. Come. You just step on it real quick. Or you want to get the spray?
Let me see how big it is, sir.
You have to move the wheelbarrow out the way.
Keep behind the wheelbarrow?
Yeah, come right here so you can see. Probably move the wheelbarrow and step on it real quick.
And after that, I can go back to washing myself?
No, I need you to move the soil. Because I need to put some soil over there. Yeah, that's some seed. potatoes, as the flower grow up, you gotta put soil on it because all the potatoes will grow from these little hairy things. So as your flower grows, you top it up, you heal it up. And then you know the potatoes are ready when the flower dies off. It'll turn brown and die, and your potatoes are ready. So we're gonna fill them potatoes over there too. Fill that all the way up. Top it up. My growth stalk. I said growth stalk, green stalk. I'm gonna get that unboxed and get it put together. So let's see what we're working with. I'm not gonna water the my little seedlings in because the soil was so moist and I don't want to over water it, so I won't water until I'll check the soil tomorrow, and then if it's, you know, if it's feeling like it needs a little moisture, then I'll go ahead and water it down. But that soil was very moist and I don't want to over water, you know, over water it, those roots. So let's get into this green stalk, y'all, and see what we got. Oh man, I got 2 more. How did I miss those? I got 2 more I gotta pop out in the garden, y'all. 2 more. Hot dog. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I got the black basket weave growth stalk. Got these. I even gave they said some thyme seeds. The instructions says, thank you for choosing our small family business. It means the world to us. Still a card. And then Came with a little new thing. It says the same green stalk you love in a new basket weave texture. So that's the one I got, was the basket weave texture, y'all. It's so cute. They put who's pack your green stalk for you. If you ever see my video, thank you, Daniel S.